I am still haunted by these red water stains on the bathroom floor. I am using different methods to find a way to clean old stains. When water dries on surfaces, it leaves behind unpleasant marks. These can be whitish streaks, hard limescale, or other stains. If you do not remove these marks in time, they become harder and stronger over time. Such old stains are very difficult to wash off. Previously, I tried to clean the floor with a steam mop, various detergents, and screwdriver brush attachments. Today I will try to clean the floor with vinegar and soda and hydrogen peroxide with soda. I read on the internet that this is a magical property, so today I will perform magic. First, I applied vinegar to the deposits using a syringe. But it turned out that it is inconvenient to use it, and the easiest way is to apply vinegar to a sponge and then wipe the deposits with it. There is a lot of vinegar and it is cheap, so there is no need to skimp. I applied a lot of soda on top. We treat the other side with hydrogen peroxide. It is in a bottle with a spout, so it is very convenient to apply it from the bottle. After some time, I added soda. About 10 minutes later, I wiped everything with a sponge. I immediately realized that old dirt remains in place, and this method has practically no effect. In order to simplify the removal methods and save energy, I connect a screwdriver with brushes. It is impossible to say that nothing happens. The floor is cleaned a little, but old dirt remains in place. Trying various options, I work on dirt. I change various attachments, the direction of rotation of the screwdriver and the speed. As a result, I discovered that when the rotation speed increases, the shower tray is damaged. Therefore, it is better to clean the surfaces at a lower speed. For clarity, I concentrated on processing one section of the shower stall. I treated it several times with hydrogen peroxide and soda, vinegar, and rubbed it with various attachments for a long time. But the process is very slow. I even had to connect a steam mop, but this did not have a significant effect on cleaning. As a result, I managed to clean a small part of the surface, but it took a lot of resources and a long time. As a result, it turns out that it is almost impossible to completely remove such stains and plaque. When trying to get rid of them, you can accidentally damage the surface itself. In such cases, the only way out is to replace the damaged area. Nevertheless, I do not lose hope of getting rid of such dirt and will use new cleaning methods in the future. If you have any ideas on this matter, please write to me.